Hi guys, now we'll see Leetcode SQL question Triangle Judgement. So here we are given a table named Triangle. Here we have three columns X, Y and Z, and each row of this table contains the length of the three line segments, and this combination of X, Y, Z is the primary key for this table. Now we have to write a SQL query that will tell us whether these combination of x, y, z will form a triangle or not, and we can return the result in any order. Like we'll see example to understand it in a better way. This is triangle table. Here we have three columns x, y, z. In the output table, we want those three columns x, y, z as well as one additional column triangle, which tells whether it is possible to form a triangle with the given x, y, z or not. Now we'll see how we can approach that. So we'll use very basic property of triangle that to form a triangle, every sum of length of two sides will always be greater than the third side. So simply we'll check if x plus y is greater than z, as well as y plus z is greater than x, and z plus x is greater than y. If this condition is satisfied, then it will form triangle, so we'll return yes, and if it is not satisfied, then we'll return no. Like here, 15 plus 13, it is equal to 28, which is not less than 30, so it will not form triangle. But here 10 plus 20 is 30, which is greater than 15, so it will form a triangle. Like 15 plus 10 also is 25, which is greater than 20, so it will form triangle. Now we'll see the actual query to understand it in a better way. So in the output table, we want columns x, y, z and triangle. So we have selected x, y, z and triangle column from table triangle. Now we have just added the condition if x plus y is greater than z and y plus z is greater than x and z plus x is greater than y. That is, every sum of any two sides of a triangle should always be greater than the third side. If this condition is satisfied, then we'll return yes, else we'll return no.